Hey, this is Packbreaker 507, and I went to local Target and got a pack of these. It's just basketball. You can see the front and the back cards, and that's it. And got it for $4. So 75 cards, $4. Pretty good deal. So I'll open it. Open this side first. So here we go. I have Vince Carter, Elden Campbell, the Lakers, Terrence Teagle from the Lakers, Nick Van Exel from the Lakers, Def Brown from the Celtics, Greg Minor from Celtics, and here is a card with a little Topps Finest Protecting, sealed. Looks pretty good. Has a little peel off sticker protection, and it is Collegiate Best Tom Gugliotta for the Wizards, or no, for the Warriors. And then Mark West for the Suns, Gerald Glass for the Timberwolves, Winston Garland for the Clippers, Jerry Sichting for the Trailblazers, I think, Ricky Pierce, it's the East All-Star, Milwaukee Bucks, Xavier McDaniel for the Phoenix Suns, Matt Fish for the Clippers, Jay Humphries for the Utah Jazz. Sorry about that. Jay Humphries for the Utah Jazz. John Barry for the Bucks. Ron Anderson for the 76ers. Tom Chambers for the Suns. Jeff Hornacek for the Suns. Let's see, Dan Majuri for Utah, I think. No, Phoenix. It says Utah on the front, though. Rory Sparrow for the Kings. Judd Buechler for the Nets. Armin Gilliam for the Bucks. Let's see. Harry Moore for St. Bonaventure. Johnny Newman for the Knicks. Michael Cage for the Supersonics. Derek McKee for the Supersonics. Michael Fratello, the coach of the Hawks. Wes Unseld, the coach of the Bullets. Sherman Douglas plays for the Celtics, Sam Perkins for the Lakers. Again, Michael Fratello for the Hawks. And the 1995 NBA Co-Rookie of the Year, Grant Hill, and it's a new weird card because it has a little indent on the bottom that says USA in the Olympics, so that's pretty cool. This card's cut off a little bit at this corner, but Todd Fuller for the Warriors. Rodney Rogers, rookie card, Nuggets. B.J. Armstrong for the Bulls. I had another one of these cards in the last pack of these I got. Antonio Lang. It says authentic signature down the side, but there is none anywhere on here. I'm not sure what I should do with it. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. And then we have Geel Knight from Dayton, and Akeem Olajuwon from Houston. And that is the first half of it. So Here's a second. A 1990 Fleer basketball wax pack. I'm just going to put this aside. Michael Ansley from the Magic. Mark Price from the Cavs. Patrick Ewing from the Knicks. Kenny Smith from the Rockets. Michael Williams from the Hornets of Charlotte. Keith Lee from the Nets. Dominique Wilkins for the Hawks. Kelly Tripucka for the Charlotte Hornets. Chris Morris for the Nets. Larry Nance for the Cavs. Kevin Duckworth for the Blazers. Charles Oakley for the Knicks. Chris Gatling for the Golden State Warriors. Says Magic Skybox Hakeem Olajuwon. It's another one. Reggie Lewis for the Celtics. Rookie Bender, or a rookie card of Jonathan Bender from the Pacers. Let's see. Kevin Willis for the Raptors. First Raptors card. Karl Malone for the Utah Jazz. Bob Hurley for the Kings. Alonzo Mourning for the Charlotte Hornets. Clarence Weatherspoon for the 76ers. Rex Chapman of the Bullets. Mark Jackson for the Knicks. You get a lot of older cards. Kevin Upshaw for Utah. Phil Jackson for the coach of Chicago. Wow, that's a pretty good card. Kenny Anderson for the Nets. Willie Burton for the Heat. Sean Kemp for the Supersonics. And this one is another one that says authentic autograph down the side. Authentic signature down the side, but doesn't have one. I don't know what to do about it. It says Tony Dumas from UMKC. Again, if you know what to do or have the same card, please comment below. Let's see, Sacramento Kings. That's just the team, I guess. Fat Lever. Not really sure about that one. For the Warriors. Craig Yellow for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Ed Pinckney for the Celtics. Alec Kessler for the Heat. Sam Mitchell for the Pacers. Craig Yellow again for the Cavs. Jeff Martin for the Clippers. And finally, Brandon Jennings for the Bucks. And that's the last of my cards. So, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.